What is going on, Rocket Lab investors? So we are at $13.51 in the aftermarket, $13.94. That is absolutely insane. We have almost hit $14. I never thought we would be this close to 14 so early. I would have thought by the time Neutron launches, everything it will shoot us up to around $15. To be at $14 right now is just wild. And if we don't have a major pullback soon, I think the potential for us to hit $20 is right around the corner. So we're going to talk about why in a moment, specifically from a Seeking Alpha article on Rocket Lab to beat the Q3 earnings. But we are at a market cap of 6.71 billion. I will say I regret not purchasing additional shares at around $10. I'm one of the ones that missed out simply for the fact that I've been trying to build up some cash, hoping that we would have a massive pullback around $6 to $7. Sadly, I don't think that is going to happen. I think we're going to stay in the 10 plus consistently, and I really think there's a huge potential we could hit $20. So let me know your thoughts and opinions. Do you think we can hit 20 before Neutron? Do you think we're going to hit 20 at Neutron? Comment down below. I definitely want to hear it. Other investors want to hear it. But let's check out the article from Seeking Alpha. So Rocket Lab likely to beat Q3 earnings. So I'll go over the summary. Rocket Lab is promising a long-term investment due to its market leadership in small satellite launches and expansion into space systems and human spaceflight. So one, I slightly disagree with that statement. I definitely think they are looking to expand into small satellites and all of that, but I don't think we're going to get into human spaceflight anytime soon. I think we are probably 10 years away from that, or I could probably say 5 to 10 years. Neutron is going to take an additional probably 2 years to work out everything that needs to be fixed, and then we're going to get consistent launches with Neutron, and then I think the potential is for Peter Beck to maybe create a capsule, because then that would equal more contracts that we could score. So I somewhat agree with that statement. And then we've got the company's Electron rocket dominates the small satellite market, and the upcoming Neutron rocket will further boost capabilities and revenue streams. There's no doubt in that. It will boost revenue if we create a constellation. I think if Peter Beck only creates a constellation for someone else, I think that's going to be a very bad decision. We will essentially do all the hard work. We'll make their satellites, then we'll launch them, and I think there's just more money in if we created our own. There's billions and billions of dollars to be made with internet. That's just how it is. That's how it's always been. And if they create their own constellation, we will have a market cap minimum of $50 billion. There's no doubt in my mind. And then there's capabilities beyond that. We can expand into cell phone service, and just the possibilities are endless. So I really hope we do not create a constellation for someone else. I hope we do that in addition to creating our own. But I have a feeling that Peter Beck might just be kind of leaning towards creating a constellation for someone, having like a 10-year agreement where we manage their space systems and we get paid money. I don't want to go down that route. There's just not enough money in that. But despite short-term financial challenges, Rocket Lab's robust backlog, government contracts, and vertical integration strategy position it for significant growth in a high barrier market. Absolutely. Like I just said, there's big money in internet constellation. And then I expect Rocket Lab's Q3 numbers to be stronger than consensus with positive management comments. So Rocket Lab stock is likely to react positively, but the main growth awaits long-term holders. So I definitely can see that if we beat the Q3 earnings and we end up being positive, not a loss, I think that could propel us to close to $20. I think it would skyrocket us to $17. And then the momentum from Reddit and everyone, retail investors, I think it would push us well into the 20. But then there would probably be a massive pullback. But either way, that would still be awesome. That would get so much recognition, and that will just be way better for Rocket Lab. And then the last two results, I rate Rocket Lab a buy today, a few more days before its Q3 earnings release, and then looking for a helping hand in the market. Members beyond the wall investing get exclusive. Oh, that's nothing. Ignore that part. So Rocket Lab's next earning report is supposed to be on the 12th. So I want to hear how you think they're going to do. Do you think it's going to do amazing? Do you think it's going to be a blowout? I think there's a potential we could I think they're going to shock a lot of people. I think maybe it might come up a little bit low, but still way better than a lot of people expected. I think with how the market is, yeah, we're definitely close to $20 than compared to going back down to 5 or 6. I truly believe that right now. I missed out. I'm sadly going to try and rally up some money. I think I'll probably only be able to get 500 shares at this point, but hey, if I can throw 7 to 10 grand into that and they 10x, that's great money right there. So I appreciate everyone that has been watching the videos, commenting. You're absolutely awesome. We're growing slowly but surely. I hope you check out my next videos. But thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. This video is not financial advice. Any statements made are my views and is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial investments.